Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by creating a Google Analytics 4 property and grabbing the measurement ID. This is the unique tag that tells Analytics which site the data belongs to. Once done, open your Blogger dashboard and go straight to Settings. If Blogger exposes a Google Analytics field, paste the measurement ID there, quick and reliable. If not, prepare to edit your blog's template HTML and paste the G tag snippet in the head section. This connects traffic to Analytics, so you can measure visits and behavior. Next, add the tag and configure the data stream. Create a web stream inside your GA4 property and enable enhanced measurement so page views and basic events are tracked automatically. If Blogger lacked a dedicated field, edit theme right arrow edit HTML and paste the G tag. JS snippet with your measurement ID just before the closing head tag, save and republish. Once done, open Analytics Debug View or use Browser Developer Tools to confirm the tag fires when you load your blog. That verification proves data will flow. Finish by verifying and configuring. Check real-time in Analytics to see immediate activity, then set up conversions or custom events you care about, and link Search Console for search insights. Make sure user permissions are correct so collaborators can view reports. If data doesn't appear, the key troubleshooting tip is to confirm the measurement ID in your Blogger settings or template. Duplicate tags, typos, caching, or ad blockers often block data. After corrections, allow up to 24 to 48 hours for full reporting.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.